Hi everybody, hi parents, Justine here from theartscollege.com, and we are looking now at our inspired little artists' top tips and techniques for their art programs. Everything's all about adults and we love children, so we're going to be inspired top tips for children and their art pieces. What could we do? So we've got some questions here. My child hates the smell of paint. Are there any homemade paints I can use? Yes, there are loads of homemade paints you can use. There are loads of ways to do things, especially if your child is sensitive to sensory and to smell. I have some children who just can't handle the smell of oil paints, which is absolutely fine. So what we'll do is we'll actually post some links. We'll post some ideas for you. And even if you just search in there how to make my own paints without smells, you can put that in there. Also, you want to make sure you're in a ventilated area so that or you have the smells of what your children love around you, and even if that's too much, have your ventilated areas when you are doing your art.